is length times width, and its units must be squared.
The area of a rectangle is length times width, and its units must be squared.
Length plus width plus length plus width is the perimeter of a rectangle.
Length plus width plus length plus width is the perimeter of a rectangle.
The area of a square is side times side, and its units must be squared.
The area of a square is side times side, and its units must be squared.
Side plus side plus side plus side is the perimeter of a square.
Side plus side plus side plus side is the perimeter of a square.
The area of a triangle is half base times height, and its units must be squared.
The area of a triangle is a half base times height, and its units must be squared.
Side plus side plus side is the perimeter of a triangle.
Side plus side plus side is the perimeter of a triangle.
Professional music. Teacher Goodman. Real Records. What is the name of a polygon with 5 regular sides?
A polygon with 5 regular sides is a pentagon.
How do we call a polygon with 6 regular sides?
A polygon with 6 regular sides is a hexagon.
Tell me the name of a polygon with 7 regular sides.
A polygon with 7 regular sides is a septagon.
What is the name of a polygon with 8 regular sides?
A